Section 12.3 in the book here is about the endocrine system. We talk about the nervous system, which is the fast transfer of signals in the body. We also have a slower way of doing it. So if our nervous system is like a text message, a Snapchat, the endocrine system is more our body's version of snail mail. It goes slower. Endocrine system is hormones. And hormones is a chemical signal released that will affect a specific tissue. Hormones are released from glands, the endocrine glands in the body. We have different parts of it, the brain, the genitals, and so on. And in humans, hormones are carried in the blood plasma from where it's released to the target tissue. Human hormones is a huge part of our physiology. We only touch on it very briefly here, but we're going to talk about it later in the chapters about human sex hormones. And if you have any interest in it, it's super important and exciting. But we're going to talk a little bit about adrenaline here in this chapter. And later on, we are in the next chapter, we're going to be talking about insulin. And later on, we're going to be talking about testosterone, estrogen, and there are many others that, if you're interested in it, they're important, but Cambridge don't deal a lot with them. Melatonin, dopamine, vasopressin, cortisol, and so on. So the hormone that Cambridge choose to focus on, in this case here, is adrenaline, our fight or flight hormone. And adrenaline is a hormone that is produced in the adrenal glands above the kidneys, and it's activated when our fight or flight system kicks in. So if we are in some kind of high stress situation, our adrenal glands releases adrenaline. And it raises our heart rate. Our heart beats faster, so we get more oxygen to the muscles. It moves blood from the skin to the core, so our skin might start feeling a little cold. Our pupils open up wide, so we get in more sense signals. It releases glucose, so our body has all the energy it needs. And it basically gets us ready to either confront something or quickly run away. So it kickstarts our metabolism, it makes us more alert. It also kind of short circuits our brain. So our ability to do like an analysis is not very good. When we're high on adrenaline, we want to act. It's not very smart for thinking. And our heart rate goes high, so sometimes our fine motor control goes as well. But we will get more alert, we will get stronger, our pain signal will be less, which can be quite smart, if we are in a situation where we might need to escape a burning house or get away from a traffic accident or survive a fight. So for that, it's really smart. If we have a high adrenaline over a long time, it will lead to stress and burnout, so that's not smart. So, very shortly, that's about adrenaline.